A huge hello to all my dear fun beings. Hope you're all doing great. In today's video, we will be seeing the RH blood grouping system. Before getting started, I want to tell you guys that I'm sorry for being so late and not uploading so long because of my personal issues. And it's been a long time since I shot this video and I had everything recorded, but I couldn't just post. So now, without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So, the previous video was about the ABO blood grouping system and this is like a sequel to it. So, please go watch it first before you watch this video. So, let's begin. What is RH? So, RH comes from the name of rhesus macaque monkey, which was found out in 1937 by Karl Landsteiner and Alexander Weiner. This RH blood grouping system is the second most important and the most polymorphic and immunogenic system. It has 49 different blood group antigens, out of which 5 are the most important ones. They are capital D, capital C, small c, capital E and small e. There is no small d antigen. A related protein called the RH glycoprotein is essential for the assembly and expression of the RH protein complex and the RH antigens on the membrane of the red blood cells. The C and E antigens are inherited cooperatively. The D antigen is the one which gives us the positive and negative forms of the blood group. Although small d antigen does not exist, it is used to represent the negative capital D phenotype. So, the most frequently occurring forms of the RH encode 8 haplotypes, which are given on the screen. The RBCs with RH null phenotype do not express any of the RH antigens. The positive blood groups, like I said before, possess the RH antigens, whereas the negative blood groups lack these antigens. For example, A positive will be RH positive, that is, it will have the RH antigens, whereas A negative blood group will lack the RH antigens and will be RH negative. So let us see how the blood group test is performed. For finding out a blood group, we need a clean slide onto which we will mark 3 circles and name them as A, B and D. The circle D is used to find out the positive or negative form of the blood group using the presence or absence of the RH antigens. So, to all these 3 circles, we will be adding a drop of blood from the patient. Then, we will add in the first circle anti-A serum, in the second circle anti-B serum and in the third circle anti-D serum. So anti-D will tell us the positive or the negative form of the blood and A and B will tell us the type of blood group. If coagulation takes place in A, then we can say that the person has antigen of A. If the coagulation takes place in B, then we can say that the person has antigens of B. And if the coagulation takes place in D, then we can say that the person is positive. So in this picture, we can see that the blood group is B positive because there is coagulation in the circle B and in the circle D. Now, it is very easy for us to understand the red blood cell compatibility table. The O negative people lack all the 3 antigens, namely antigen A, antigen B and the RH antigens, and hence become the universal donor. Whereas the AB positive have all the 3 antigens, A antigen, B antigen and the RH antigens, and hence cannot donate to everyone but can accept from everyone. So, the A negatives can donate only to the A negative and the A positive, whereas the A positives can donate only to A positives. Similarly, B negatives can donate to both B negative and B positive and also to AB positive and AB negative, whereas B positive can donate only to B positive and AB positive. Similarly, AB negative can donate only to AB negative and AB positive, whereas AB positive can only donate to themselves or to other people having AB positive. So I hope this red blood cell compatibility table is clear for all of you. So now just go hit the like button and the subscribe for more such videos. Also click the bell icon to be the first one to get your concepts right. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, and the handle is given in the description below. Let's meet in another beautiful video. Until then, bye-bye.